In this video, I show how to buy shares of GCL Global Holdings Ltd, ticker GCL, listed on NASDAQ, and give a quick company context. GCL Global Holdings operates in industrial, energy, and materials infrastructure, and this is an educational overview only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and to add funds before placing trades. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker GCL to find the listing on NASDAQ. Confirm you have located the correct company name and ticker before proceeding. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart, checking market status and share details. Make sure the company description matches GCL Global Holdings Ltd to confirm this is the right stock. Select Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to commit, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order, depending on your choice. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it finalizes the trade. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same steps, find the eToro link in the description to get started.